Hello everyone, welcome to month 2 of Little Scientists. And do you guys smell that? Oh, of course you don't. You're not here with me. But take a big sniff anyways. I'll do it with you. Do you guys smell anything around you? Maybe you have flowers on the table, or a candle, or maybe someone is cooking something yummy, or, oh no, maybe something is going bad in the garbage can. Pee-you! Or maybe you don't smell much at all. Well, this month we are going to be discovering our sense of smell. And to help us, I've brought us this book called Smell. Smell is one of your 5 senses. Senses help you learn about the world around you. Smell tells you which smells you like. A pine tree smells good. A bakery smells good. Smell tells you which smells you do not like. A skunk smells bad. Garbage smells bad. Smells can change how you feel. Some smells can make you feel sick. Oh no. Some smells can make you feel hungry. The sense of smell is different for each person. Your friend may not like the smell of a dog, but you might like the smell of a dog. Smell can help you taste your food. Lemons have a sour smell, and candy has a sweet smell. Wow! Smell can really do a lot for us. I even have some cool smelly facts for you today. Okay, 1. Females develop a better sense of smell than males. They think it has something to do with the way our brains develop. 2. Every person has their own distinct smell. It's kind of like everyone has their own fingerprint. Fun fact number 3. You can't smell in your sleep. You just can't. You have to be awake. Smelly fun fact number 4. There are some people who can't smell. They have anosmia. Wow, that's a funny word to say. Can you guys say anosmia? And my last fun smelly fact, number 5. Smell impacts the way you taste things. Oh, wait, we just learned that in our book. About 75 to 95% of smell impacts our flavor of food. That's crazy. Well, I have some really fun experiments and crafts for us to do. Come on. For our first activity, you're gonna take your piece of construction paper, this mysterious container, and you're gonna need some glue. Now you can draw something on the paper for your little to trace, like the first letter of their name or their whole name. My name is Karen, so I drew a K and I drew a heart because I thought that was fun. And I also suggest doing this on some sort of big plate or maybe a baking pan, something that will catch any mess. Or, you know what I'm gonna also do? Whoa! We're gonna make some squiggly lines here and just have fun with it, because that's what it's all about. having fun, and learning. Now, here comes the extra fun part. We're gonna open this up, and you can smell it if you want to. Just be a little careful. And then we are going to, whoa, all over. And make sure it gets all over all the glue here. And I'm going to dump it out in this bowl. Oh, take a big sniff, everyone. Oh, can you smell that? Already, what do you think it smells like? Is it sour? Is it sweet? Does it smell like something you'd smell outside? Maybe a drink that you've had? Adults, ask some of these cool questions. And then you're going to wait until it is completely dry. This may take a good long while. You might want to sit it up somewhere and leave it overnight just to make sure. Once your work of art is completely dry, to smell it some more, all you have to do is scratch it and the smell comes back. How cool is that? You have made your own scratch and sniff art. For our next experiment, we will need this mystery packet, this bag that has cornstarch, and a half a cup of warm water. And a spoon or another kind of stick to stir everything. So go ahead and put your mystery packet in. Ooh. And then your cornstarch. Now go ahead and mix it all up. Do, 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 do. Once everything is mixed really good, you're going to take your half a cup of warm water. Now, I suggest that your little stirs while the adult pours it in, because you want to put it in just a little bit at a time. Oh, it's kind of hard to stir. Maybe I should add a little more water. Whoa! How cool. Just keep adding the water a little bit at a time and stirring. You'll notice it gets harder to stir. So, if you want to, go ahead and use your hands. Mix all of it in. Whoa, it feels super ooey gooey. Now, smell it. Could you smell it as you added the water in? Now, adults, this is taste safe. It's not tasty, but it won't hurt your little if they end up tasting it a little bit. What does this smell like? Ooh, ooey gooey. Your mix should look a little something like this once it's all mixed up. Your slime can be kept in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. When you bring it back out to play with, you may need to add a little bit of water to bring it back to life. Ooh. For more smelly fun, you can go on a super sniffer hunt. Walk around the house. What do you smell? Do you have any candles that aren't lit that you can open them and go, I wonder what that is? Smell your dinner cooking. You can smell outside. Does snow have a smell? I think I may need you guys to figure that out. And tell me in the comments what you think snow smells like. Or maybe some of the other cool smells that you discovered while around the house. Adults, try some words like scent, powerful, musty and damp, ripe, sour, sweet and tangy, fishy, earthy, floral, fruity, minty, woody. Have some fun with it. Let's learn some new words and discover a little bit about the world around us and our sense of smell. Because we can all be a super scientist. See you guys next month. Bye-bye.